Imagine for a moment getting paid to just scroll through short, entertaining videos.
Yeah,
The kind you probably already spend hours on anyway.
right. Without even thinking about it.
Sounds like the absolute dream, doesn't it?
Yeah.
Like, who wouldn't want to turn that downtime into, well, actual money?
Exactly. It's a very tempting idea.
So today, we're doing a deep dive into this whole world of apps that make these promises. Specifically, we're going to look at one called TikGain.
Mm-hmm. That one's popped up recently.
Yeah, and our insights today, they come from a really detailed review we found. It's from the YouTube channel Savage Reviews back in 2025.
They do good work, yeah.
They really peeled back the layers on TikGain, and honestly, what they found tells us a lot about what to watch out for online.
Definitely. It's a good case study.
So our mission here, for you listening, is pretty clear. We're going to unpack this TikGain app. We'll look at the promises, the really attractive stuff.
Hook.
Exactly, the hook. And then, more importantly, reveal what's really going on behind the curtain.
Yeah, what's happening under the hood.
Right. The goal is to give you the tools, basically, to spot these kinds of digital traps. Well, understand the patterns, cut through the hype.
So you don't get caught out.
Precisely.
Yeah.
I'm actually really keen to get into the nitty-gritty of this one. It looks so tempting, but, well, we'll see.
And it's important, like you said, because this isn't just about TikGain, is it? It really shows a broader pattern.
How so?
Well, this kind of app, it taps right into that very human wish for, easy money, especially doing something you already enjoy.
Watching videos.
Exactly. And in today's digital world, the line between a real opportunity and a scam can get, well, it gets blurry. Super blurry sometimes.
Mm-hmm.
So understanding how TikGain works gives you a lens, sort of, to see through other offers like this you might find. It's about spotting those familiar red flags.
Okay, good point. So let's get into that pitch then. TikGain says it's a TikTok clone that pays you to watch videos.
Simple enough.
And super appealing, right? You're already doing it, so why not get paid? Savage Reviews even said it sounds absolutely nuclear, like the perfect mix.
Passive fun, active income?
Yeah.
Sounds great on paper.
It really does. You think, finally, my scrolling habit is useful. But, and this is a big, here's the first massive, flashing red light.
Okay, what is it?
The second you open the app, before you watch one video, TikGain just dumps 100,000 coins into your account.
Wow. Just like that.
Just like that. Poof. 100,000 coins. And that's not just, a nice welcome bonus. It's a tactic.
A classic one.
Yeah, Savage Reviews called it like a casino, giving you chips before you even sit down, before you've even seen a roulette wheel.
That's a great analogy.
That kind of instant unearned win, that should set off alarm bells immediately. Serious alarms. Sweet grandmother of Tesla, as they said.
Absolutely. And there's a clear psychological reason they do that. That immediate gift.
Tell us about that.
Well, it's designed to bypass your critical thinking. It gives you this instant hit of gratification. You feel like you've already gained something valuable.
Even though you don't know what the coins are worth yet.
Precisely. You don't know the value, you don't know the rules, but you feel like you're winning. It lowers your guard, makes you feel invested,
So you stick around.
Exactly. It hooks you before you start asking the tough questions. You're already feeling good about the app because of that initial, completely artificial boost.
Okay, so it pulls you in psychologically. Makes sense.
Yeah.
So you've got this pile of coins, 100,000 of them.
Yeah.
What next?
Well, typically the app then pushes you towards withdrawal, right?
Yeah, exactly. The app prompts you, withdraw your earnings, and you think, great, let's do this.
Naturally.
But then, bam, the first hurdle, and this is where it gets really sneaky. You find out there's a minimum.
The minimum threshold, always a catch.
You need 5,000 Indian rupees minimum to cash out.
Okay, 5,000 rupees.
Which, might sound achievable if you think those 100,000 coins are worth something substantial. You think, okay, I just need to watch more videos.
Burn more coins, reach the target.
Right. But here's the killer problem. The absolute deal breaker for those 100,000 coins and any others you earn.
Let me guess. You can't figure out what they're worth.
Bingo. There is no conversion rate stated anywhere in the app. Nowhere.
So the coins are basically meaningless.
Completely. You've got this digital number going up, but no way to know what it translates to in actual rupees. The source, it's like being handed Monopoly money and told it's legal tender.
Perfect analogy again. Millions in Monopoly money won't buy you coffee.
Exactly. It's an illusion of wealth. All glitter, no gold, just worthless outside its own little fake system.
And that's deliberate, of course. Why give you a huge number of coins but make the withdrawal process so obscure?
Why do they do that?
Because those coins, those illusory tokens, were never meant to be cashed out. The lack of a clear conversion rate is the dead giveaway.
It proves the system is fake.
Right. And that 5,000 rupee minimum, it's not a goal. It's a wall. It's designed so you can't reach it because they never add real money value to your account anyway.
Wow, okay.
It just keeps you chasing something that looks like a target but isn't actually reachable. A phantom prize.
So, okay, the user doesn't know this yet, right? They just see coins piling up. So they get into the rhythm.
Mm-hmm. The grind.
Yeah. Swiping down, watching these random videos, often pretty low quality, apparently.
Yeah, probably just scraped from somewhere else.
And collecting more of these, well, these meaningless coins, you're putting in the time, doing the task, thinking, okay, getting closer to 5,000 rupees.
Patience, it'll pay off.
And then comes the moment you think is the payoff. A notification pops up.
The crucial moment.
It says, watch an ad to withdraw cash. You think, finally, here it is.
The cash out button.
You tap it, expecting, money, or at least progress towards money. And what happens?
Let me guess. An ad.
You got it. You end up watching an advertisement for another fake money app.
Oh, that's cynical.
Isn't it? An ad for something probably just as scammy as TikGain itself.
So, meta scamming.
Pretty much. And after you sit through that ad, you check your actual cash balance, the real rupee balance.
Yeah.
And guess what?
Still zero.
Still zero. Nothing. Those coins you've been collecting, utterly worthless. Just numbers keeping you hooked, keeping you on what the source called the hamster wheel of profit.
And that's the core of it, isn't it? The real purpose. That withdrawal minimum, it's not just high, it's literally impossible.
Because they never add real money.
Never. The review confirms the app never credits real money ever. It's described as peak chaos. You're the hamster in the wheel.
Generating ad revenue for them.
Exactly. You're generating ad revenue for the developers by watching their videos, by watching those extra ads they force on you.
While chasing digital carrots.
Digital carrots that don't exist. Every single video you watch, every ad you see makes them real money from their advertisers.
You get
absolutely nothing. Zero. Zilch. Except, as the review puts it, the privilege of making strangers wealthy. Your time and attention are being directly converted into their profit. It's pure exploitation.
Wow. And it gets worse, right? Because it's not just TikGain.
No, that's the really insidious part. The ads within TikGain
promote other fake apps.
Exactly. It's a whole network. An ecosystem of deception, basically. A conveyor belt designed to shuffle users from one scam to the next.
So you might realize TikGain is useless. Delete it.
And then see an ad somewhere else, maybe even from TikGain itself for another Earn Money Easy app, and you download that one.
And the cycle starts all over again, thinking, maybe this one's legit.
It's designed to keep you trapped in that loop of false hope.
So let's bottom line this. What did the independent reviewers, like Savage Reviews, ultimately conclude? What's the definitive verdict?
No ambiguity at all. They confirm this app has zero payout mechanism, period.
Zero. None.
None. That cash balance you see, it stays at zero regardless of activity. It doesn't matter how many videos you watch or coins you collect.
And the 5,000 rupee target.
It's not a target, it's a mirage. It's window dressing to make the scam look plausible, but it's functionally impossible for you, the user, to ever reach it in terms of actual cash withdrawal.
So putting it all together.
The conclusion is crystal clear. TikGain is a complete scam. It's just dressed up as entertainment.
Yeah.
The developers aren't trying to offer a real opportunity. This is basically industrial-scale deception designed to prey on people's hope, maybe their financial desperation.
That hope for easy money.
Exactly. They rely on you thinking, if I just keep watching eventually, but the eventually never comes.
So the advice is pretty straightforward then.
Absolutely. If you come across TikGain or anything that smells like it, instant huge bonuses, no clear conversion rate, vague withdrawal rules, delete it immediately.
Don't waste your time.
Don't waste your time. Don't waste your phone's resources. Don't give them your attention. If you enjoy short videos, stick to actual TikTok or similar platforms. They might not pay you, but they aren't pretending to.
Right. And if you do need to earn online,
look for legitimate platforms.
Oh.
There are real ways to earn online freelancing, surveys sometimes, creative work, but they require actual effort and have clear payment structures. not this kind of smoke and mirrors.
That is such a crucial takeaway. You said it earlier, don't be the product.
Don't be the hamster generating revenue for someone else's scheme.
Yeah. Always question apps promising easy money. Scrutinize them if it looks too good to be true.
It almost certainly is, especially when money seems to appear out of thin air or the rules for getting it out are murky. Those are huge red flags.
Definitely. It's all about benefiting someone else, not you.
Mm-hmm.
So, as we wrap up here, maybe something for you, our listener, to think about as you go about your day, maybe even as you reach for your phone. In this age where we're constantly scrolling, constantly consuming content, what does our sort of deep desire for instant gratification really say about us?
Interesting question.
And maybe more importantly, how does that fundamental need, that want for the quick hit, make us vulnerable to these kinds of digital traps?
It's a powerful vulnerability they exploit.
It really is. Something to keep in mind next time an app promises you the world for just watching a few videos.
Good thought to end on?
Well, thank you for joining us on this deep dive today. We really hope you feel a bit more clued in, more aware of these tactics.
It's ARP out there.
Yeah, keep that critical eye open and keep that curiosity going. Thanks for listening.